I want to ask regarding the dhikr after salah. Like some says that you can't move or talk to anyone doing it, but there's also some that says like recite it after the end of obligatory prayers. So does this mean that both you can't move, or is it only the one that says it?
That you do not move refers to being rewarded as if you're still continuing to pray. So while I'm praying 4 rak'ahs, I am being registered at the sight of Allah that I am offering a fard prayer. I have this much reward, and the meter is ongoing. When I make salam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and I'm still sitting in my position, the meter is still going. I am in salat. So if I stay there for half an hour, I would have been registered and credited for half an hour of salah, though I'm just sitting, maybe scrolling my mobile, maybe just sitting, but I'll be rewarded. If I move, the meter stops. But the dhikr you do, whether sitting or standing or leaving the masjid going home, is still valid and accepted. Her husband watches blue movies, pornography. So she says that she's hurt because of that. Is he committing fornication? The answer is no. This is not fornication nor adultery. It's a sin. And it is something that is prohibited. But it is neither pornography, fornication nor adultery, because that requires penetration and sexual intercourse. And this is only the fornication of the eyes. He's sinful and he'll be punished for that. If you reject him, what do you think would happen? Usually, those who watch pornography would have to do something to relieve themselves from the tension and from the desire they're getting. If they go to the halal means of doing so, and that is his spouse, and she rejects him, first of all, the angels curses her till morning. Regardless, you're not afraid of STDs. The guy is just watching, he's not doing. Secondly, you force him, you push him, try to fulfill his sexual desire in a halal way. You are his wife. But not only that, most likely he did not watch pornography except because his iman is low and because you are not doing your job. If you were doing your job as a wife, by taking good care of yourself, by exhausting him in the bedroom, so do it 2 or 3 times a day if he has the power to do that.